Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm going to decorate my little circle shakers. I'm going to use some of my stickers from Hobby Lobby, and I don't know. We'll see what I have from my stash. But I'm going to put you on time lapse so I can go ahead and decorate. So I'll see you at the end. Alright guys, so I finished up my decorating and this is what I came up with. So I used one of my mini folded ribbons to put like a border, some kind of interest between the shaker and the fringe. So I added that, and I added one of the Hobby Lobby bunnies. And then these are just the little rosettes that little flowers that I made earlier in a previous video. Really, really tiny. And I'm gonna go type out some sentiments and put Happy Easter, just really small prints on my computer, and just print it out, little strip of paper, and then I'll probably attach it to one of the scraps to make a little flag. And then this is the next one. Shaker bits are still there. I have some scraps that were punched out, like the little leaves from one of my punches. Here's another flower that I made with the cricket in a previous video. And then another Hobby Lobby sticker, and the Easter sticker, the puffy Easter stickers. And then one of my little teeny tiny flowers again. So that is what this one looks like. And then the last one, I added another one of the folded ribbons with folded paper again that I stitched with my sewing machine. And I'm just going to cut that thread off. And then I added one of my mini rosettes, paper rosettes, on the end of there. And then one of the Hobby Lobby bunny stickers again, with one of the little bumblebees that was on the sticker, part of the sticker collection. Really, really tiny. It was right here. And then I'm also going to use the sentiments from the computer once I get it printed out. Alright, now we got it all finished up. Took me a hot minute to get it all done, but I got it done, and this is what it looks like. I printed out on the computer, off of the computer. I just typed out Happy Easter and in different colors. So I just cut them and then mounted them to the little green stripe on the scraps. You guys saw that. I used some puffy, some foam tape, and I raised this little flag up just a little bit. And this one says Happy Easter. And then this one, they all say Happy Easter. I just figured I'd use Happy Easter for all three of them. And they all shake. And there it is. And that is it, guys. Thank you guys for joining me, and I hope to see you on the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up, just like all the others. And I thank you guys again. Bye.